Hi guys, next padlock that we're going to pick is another Burg Wächter. It's the Magno model. It's the 400E40 and it's only a 4-pin lock. So let's see if it's not camera shy. To camera shy we will attempt and pick it. So bottom of the keyway tension. No security pins that I have detected. Just the wording that makes sometimes a mess of the pick, but okay, let's try once more. And here we go, open. For a 4-pin lock, it's not a bad lock, I would have to say. And as I said, it's only 4-pin. I don't have the key, unfortunately, for this one, but it was a fun pick. Thanks for watching and stay legal, guys. Cheers.